Slamology! Donnie Babb is going to be in the house giving away free stuff, tickets, hats, t-shirts, and more, so tune in. This is Aaron Malin with the Kicker Tech Force. We've got 20 years of Slamology to celebrate with Donnie Babb here in the studio. In addition, we're going to bring into the stream Mr. Kevin Johnson, John Rave, Chris Hosier, and Mr. Billy Temple. And at Slamology, if you're going to be there, you're going to get to see the unveiling of the Bronco. Yes, 9 Solo X 12s and 9 Warhorse amplifiers and a grip full of ST Street Series mids and highs. So tune in Tuesday, 7:30, Facebook, YouTube. Oh, and by the way, there's going to be lots of wasted information at Slamology.